Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore BigCommerce customer accounts after import failures, beginner guide step by step clearly. Before you begin restoring customer accounts in BigCommerce, ensure you have a backup of your data. Log in to your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the Customers section in your dashboard. Review the list of customer accounts to identify which ones were affected by the import failure. Export the current customer list to maintain a record of existing accounts. Open the exported file in a spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets. Check for discrepancies or missing information in the imported accounts. Filter out the entries that require restoration. Locate your original customer data file that contains the complete information. Carefully compare the original file with the current list. Fix any discrepancies directly in the spreadsheet by adding missing details. Once the customer information is corrected, save the updated file. Return to your BigCommerce dashboard. Select the Customers tab again. Choose the Import Customers option. Follow the prompts to upload your fixed customer data file. Ensure the mappings for each column match the required fields in BigCommerce. Review the import settings and confirm they are set correctly. Initiate the import process by clicking the appropriate confirmation button. Wait for the system to process the import. Once complete, review the notifications for any additional issues. Check the Customers section again to ensure restored accounts appear correctly. If problems persist, consult BigCommerce support for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.